All right. So the last thing we have to do for number 2 is to write that problem in vertex form. Remember, they gave us the problem in standard form. They asked us for the vertex. We figured that out. And now they want it in vertex form as the last thing that we do here. So again, we have all of our answers. A is the same A from our standard form. The piece with the x squared is always going to be your A. And in this example, it was an invisible 1. So I don't really have to put anything there, but if you want to put a number there, you could put the invisible 1. For your H was -4. We figured that out in the last video. Now be careful, because when you put the -4, the formula for vertex form already had a negative sign there. So it's like we have a double negative now. So that's the only thing that makes this tricky, is that when you have two negatives there, you're going to go ahead and switch that to a positive. So we're going to erase both, and we're going to put a plus right there, okay? And then at the end, we have a K, and K equals -2. And so again, we have two signs. A positive times a negative is just a negative, so we don't have to put the plus sign. So our vertex form answer is y equals x plus 4 squared minus 2. That is our answer in vertex form. This is probably going to be the trickiest one you're going to see of this type, because it had so many weird things happening. The invisible 1, switching the sign of the 4, and then the -2. Okay, but we've been talking about that H, you always switch the sign. So if this says +4, then your H is a -4. And we talked about that at the beginning of this lesson. All right, that's it for this part.